Oo naman yun. Because like ikaw, you're an elected official, you're supposed to voice out what the people yung need and want, and he's in a high position. Mas taas na, but like I said, he has time to redeem himself out of all yung ano yung nangyari. Because kung gusto niya pa tumakbo ng senador ulit, then he should show that he is one with the Davaoenos, especially in times like this.
Sir, sa tingin niyo, iniiwan niya na ba si Tatay Digong sa ginagawa?
Could be possible yun ng politics. Wala mo na, hindi mo talaga can never guess what will happen next in politics.
Ganito nararamdaman niyo kay Senator Bongo, ganito rin yung pagtingin niyo sa mga iba pang DDS senators?
No, because Bong is a Davaoeno. So he claims, diba? So, and I'm also a voter. I voted for him. So, yung sinasabi ko, not because he used to be, former secretary or chief of staff of the previous president, but it's as a voter. I am talking to him as a voter.
Categorically, sir, anong sasabihin niyo ngayon kay Senator Bongo?
Like I said, yung sinabi ko kanina, I think kailangan niyang magpakita na is like we should speak up to what's happening in the House.
Last question, sir. Sa tingin niyo, nakain na rin ng bulok na sistema si Senator Bongo?
We cannot conclude. Hindi naman natin alam because maybe, like nilalaro niya lang, maybe he's afraid of something. Hindi natin masasabi. But, like I said, he has time to redeem. He can do something. Just do something. Say anything. You make a statement. Gawin mo. Kailangan, you have to stand up for what's happening to Davao, what's happening to your kasama niya sa trabaho, which is the former president. And all of this is happening to the country. He's in one of the highest positions in the nation. And kung ano yung lumalabas sa bibig niya could be of significance to the current situation.